Hello friends, subscribe my channel. IDP examination based question provided by my channel, and today is a most important video. It is a video about use of on. When something is touching the surface of the something. It could be horizontal surface like a floor or beach, or a vertical surface like a wall. They hang picture on the wall. We also use on for the surface of the body part. He has a tattoo on his arm. Okay friends, thanks for watching my channel. Please like it and subscribe it. Next video it is about the grammar, and someday after I will give you a worksheet where the all the preposition words. Okay, thanks for watching my channel.